Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
As I said on F as in Frank, we're going to be doing a couple more desserts for moving into fall, moving into the holidays. Just because I don't eat desserts doesn't mean you shouldn't enjoy them. So this one looked really interesting. I bookmarked it. I'm trying it out. Plus AI is going to start cooking some desserts for you. It's going to be exciting. So come on in close and I'll show you the few ingredients to make these cookies. I hope it rocks. It looked good. We'll let you know. So this only takes a few ingredients and it's supposed to taste like a creamsicle. We'll see. You got your eggs, your butter, of course, white chocolate chips. We're doing a double batch, okay? The single recipe down below. 2 things of yellow orange jello. 2 things of classic yellow cake mix. That's it. We're going to throw it all together. We'll see how it turns out. All right, let's get things started. Let's see. Well, we might as well start with the cake mix. We'll get both boxes in there. I hope the bowl's big enough. If not, we'll upgrade it. All right, let's get our eggs in there. And get our jello in there. I think we're going to upgrade this to a bigger bowl. We got a bigger bowl now. I feel better. Time to open up our jello mix. We're going to add in our chocolate chips. A lot of chocolate chips. Now we're going to mix that all together. You know, we almost forgot the butter. So, here we go. Last ingredient, the butter. Now we're going to mix this all together. All right, guys. So it should come together and look something like that. Then you're going to grab a cookie sheet and roll out some small balls of dough and lay them out until you're done. Okay, guys. That's what they should look like. Give them a little press down. Start them as a little ball. Give them a little press to give them some shape. And we're going to bake these at 350 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes. If it don't look done, you can do the toothpick test where you poke them. If nothing sticks to the toothpick, they're done. All right? Eyeball them. Your oven may take a minute longer. Okay, guys, so these look good. They don't look finished, but they feel finished. So I'm guessing the cake mix makes them feel different than regular cookies. But they look good. Chocolate chips are there. The firmness is there. It's cool enough right now. And we'll check it out. All right, guys. Here comes the test. Let's crack it open, see how it looks. You can bust it up, it's fine. Looks good. Looks really good. Looks moist. Doesn't look dry, does it?
It's
Yeah.
really soft.
All right, you can give it a try?
Sure.
No?
No, it's good.
It is good?
I'm just trying to get.
Does it taste like creamsicle?
Kind of, yeah. The chocolate, when it melts, it just kind of like, that's the ice cream in the middle. So it's really good.
Would you eat more?
Probably, yeah.
So they're a success. You'd recommend people make it?
Yep.
All right, so you know what we're going to do next week?
No.
AI is gonna spit out a cookie recipe, and you're going to taste that, see if it's better than this.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So the challenge has begun.